are. Some people can drive the hospital. It's a hospital.
What hospital?
A hotel.
Hotel?
But it's actually where we're gonna fix the car.
Yeah, dito kami
I can see our car over there.
Yeah, tinitingnan na nila yung sasakyan. Magkakape muna kami habang naghihintay.
There's something really exciting that's gonna happen tomorrow. It's Violet's birthday, and I'm excited, and I'm gonna give her this love hard rock.
What are you doing, Minnie? Come. Come here. No, you're not going out. Time check, guys. It's currently 2:10 ng hapon. And pasensya na, ngayon lang ako nakapag-vlog ulit. After namin pumunta sa car repair place. Kasi naging hectic na from there. So, pagka-uwi namin, kailangan ko patulog si baby Celine. Nag-nap siya ngayon. Kaya ngayon lang ako nakapag-vlog. And I was so stressed out, guys. Nung papunta pa lang namin doon. Kasi alam niyo ba, every time I check sa sa Google, i-check mo kung gaano ka layo. Sabi 11 minutes. Pero pagkapunta mo ng tawag dito sa maps na, it's taking you the longer way. So it's like 32 minutes. So medyo na kanina kasi in-underestimate ko yung oras. Akala ko kasi talaga 11 minutes. Tapos pagdatingin ko, 32 minutes. So, na-late kami. Anyways, we got there in one piece. Dapat sana 11 yung appointment namin. We got there at 11:30. It was not a big deal. They were very flexible. Tinawagan ko naman sila and I explained. And they said, it's okay. When you get here 11:30, we can finish it at 12. Then, you can leave. So, kailangan lang naman nilang tingnan, take photos, tingnan yung loob, kung anong kailangan i-fix, and they will send the quote to the insurance. So, yung nangyari, update natin is, di ba yung guy, kahapon nag-message siya, sabi niya na nag-lodge daw siya ng claim, and he's going to call his insurance. But hindi ako nag-reply kasi it's all sorted on our end now. Like, our insurance will do it for us. So, hinintay ko pa rin na mag-send siya ng message kung ito yung lodge number or claim number. Wala pa rin. So, I don't know if he's really done it or he was just saying it. Anyways, I don't want to think about it, guys, kasi na-stress ako. So, going back doon sa pagpaparepair ng sasakyan. Alam niyo ba yung sabi niya? The back of the car, yung back panel kasi daw na push forward. So, na-bent siya sa loob. It looks like they're going to replace the whole thing just like last time. Sabi niya, so they will send the quote to the insurance. And then, na-mention niya sa akin, hindi niya sinabi sa akin direct, but sabi niya na yung next daw nila na tawag nito, available for pwede naming madala yung sasakyan dito doon for repair is not until Feb next year. Can you imagine that? Nung sinabi niya yun sa akin, sabi ko, oh my God, it's only September. And they said yung availability nila is not until Feb kasi I can see naman, guys, malaking place, sobrang dami nilang sasakyan and they look so busy. But I think Feb is intense, October, November, December, January. 5 months. Hindi ko in-expect yun. I was very shocked nung sinabi niya yun sa akin. And I told Daddy Mike, minessage ko sa Daddy Mike kasi he's so busy with work today, so hindi pa kami nag-usap. Sabi ko sa kanya, guess what? The next daw nila na availability is Feb. And Daddy Mike said, can we call our insurance and ask if we can go somewhere else na they can fix sooner? The thing is, there's no rush in fixing it because drivable naman yung sasakyan. It's more on ang tawag dito, like cosmetic ba yung sa labas, but it doesn't look really nice. May bump and may ding doon sa likod ng sasakyan. And Although, I appreciate yung ginawa nila, guys, doon. Kasi nga, hindi ko siya ma-open. Ma-close ko siya and open, but it looks closed. Pero, sa dashboard sa loob, sinasabing it's open. So, it's not, you know, hindi siya nagla-lock. So, yung ginawa nila, they took the car in, tapos, some of their workers doon, parang, hinila nila, and I don't know exactly what they've done, pero may ginawa sila na ngayon, nagko-close na yung sasakyan, and nagla-lock na siya. So, mainly, yung dent na lang talaga na kailangan nilang i-fix. So, at least, hindi na ako mag-worry na, ano. Still not nice, guys, yung pagka-open, yung pagka-close, very, alam mo pa rin, you know, hindi siya smooth anymore kumpara sa before accident. Now, I'm just going to call the insurance and see if there's anything we can do na, like, we can go somewhere else na makaka-fix sooner. Kasi, it's unbelievable. Feb. And then, as the other car repair place, yung ginagawa nila, no, sinasabi nila, once na-book na yung sasakyan, we'd need your car for at least 10 days para i-fix. But I've heard all of that before, guys. Oh, we need 10 days. And then, like, hindi pala babalik yung sasakyan for 1 month or even more than that. But we'll see. We'll see how we go with this one. At least we have the ball rolling. And tingnan natin kung ano yung kakalabasan nito. Pagkalabas ko, hinanap ko si Ate Paris. Ay, dinala pala ng kanyang tatay. So, Daddy Mike's working from home today. And while pinapatulog ko si Baby Celine, siguro napansin na Daddy Mike na nabuboard ng Ate Paris. So, took her out for a walk. I think it's nice day outside. We'll show you, kasi nung nandun kami, after namin pumunta ng quote ng sasakyan, may op shop sila na malapit doon. And I thought, oh, let's go in since we're here na. And oh my God, I found this dress for Ate Paris. Don't you think it looks so cute? Hindi kasi kami pupunta that side. Yung pinupuntahan namin dito lang. So, first time ko nakita yung op shop na yun. And I'm definitely going back. They have good stuff there. Hindi nga lang ako makatingin-tingin kasi I have the 2 girls with me. And alam mo naman kung gano'ng struggle is real kapag kasama ko yung dalawa, guys. So, this is very nice. It looks brand new. And this is from Sade. It's for 4 years old, then Ate Paris is 5. But still, she can fit this one kasi maliit naman ang ating Ate Paris. It looks so cute. And then, the second one, ito yung mga nakita ko ng mga ganda. Sus, kung may malaking size lang sana nito, binili ko na for myself. It's mini skirt from Fredbe. Ganda. Sobrang ganda niya. Paris will look nice on this one. Kailangan ko na talagang bumili ng mga damit ni Ate Paris, guys, kasi lumalaki na siya yung mga dress niya. Alam niyo ba, top na niya ngayon. Hindi na pwedeng suot niya na wala siyang bottom kasi tumatangkad na siya ba. And then, 3 lang yung nabili ko doon. I've got this one for myself. Look at this. It's a peplum style na skirt and it's in plain white. And guess what? The brand is from Zimmerman. It's not as cheap kumpara sa mga, you know, ibang mga ano na nasa shop. But for this brand, hindi ka makakakita ng ganitong brand na basta-basta lang. And for the price. So this is size 0, which is, I think, size 6 to 8 in Australia. Sobrang nice niya. Ayan. Maririnig ko na ang ating may bisilin. Umiiyak na. Ah, good Lord. Bago pa nga lang nakatulog, umiiyak na. Kantahan natin. She keeps waking, guys. Even kagabi. It's okay, my princess. Mommy's here. It's alright. Come. Come. Come on. Come on. It's okay. Shh. It's okay. It's okay. Tingnan niyo. Didi pa mo. Gising si Inday, guys. Nyam, 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 nyam. Napakabilis. Gagawan ko siya ng lunch niya. Ham and cheese. I think that's Daddy and Ate now.
Bye.
Where did you go,
I
Anna?
want my mama this
Come on,
ham
ma'am.
sandwich. I haven't cheese
Where's my
sandwich.
cuddles?
Yes.
Come.
That's which place we went
Cuddles?
to get it.
The bakery
I
there?
want cuddles.
Yeah.
Here, what did you get?
No cuddles for daddy.
I got ham and cheese.
Oh wow, did you eat it all?
Yeah.
Good girl.
That was impressive.
That is impressed. Oh, Lily girl. You okay? That is impressed?
Daddy. Yes. Oh, it's me.
What did you get?
Yes, it's
Careful please, careful please.
the marshmallow
Ah, yeah?
ice cream.
Ah, the mallow cone.
Yeah. We got that for Mommy,
What is it? What is it, baby?
I'm gonna name mine.
You wanna go down?
Daddy, Dad, can I have my cookie now?
Yeah, what is it, baby?
Do
You want them out?
Do you want me to give it to
Oh,
someone?
no, honey, because I'm making her the...
You can have it after.
Yeah, don't show yours, please, if you want to eat yours.
Open.
Oh, Mama will open, okay? Because...
Peace, Mommy.
I
Peace.
will, come on.
Peace.
Please. I know, my sweet baby.
Peace.
Please. Oh, please. Here, babe. Oh, nagpabili sila nito kanina sa option. Where's your... Here? You wanna put it here? Oh.
No.
No? Okay. Here.
Open.
It's open. See? Open.
No.
I don't get it lang. You want it open and you're like, no.
Why does mine stink again?
No, it's the bin. It's her purple there, that's all.
I remember this. I'm gonna have it. Mommy,
Look. Look. See, it's making the sandwich now. Wow. Puzzles for Lini. Puzzles.
I got something out.
What is it?
I got something. And as you can see, I'll just go over here so you can see me. I got like markers, and then I have to draw on the paper, and then it arrives by itself. Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Now I'm going to show you all my papers. This is one of my paper, which is my favorite one. I get all my other ones because they're over here. Oh, God. So here's all of them. I know you want to see this one because this is my favorite one.
Baby.
So shiny.
Okay.
This one, I will show you that, and here, and the one that's just regular is this one. I've been drawing on it. I don't know why I'm showing it to you if I draw them, but that's fine. That's how it looks like. That's that. But everyone, all the other ones are different colors, and they're actually not yellow. But some of them will be yellow, I think. But there's a lot that's not yellow, so that's all I have to tell you.
Tignan yung ginawa dito, guys. Oh, gusto kong i-change yung sheets. Itong dalawa naman, Lana, what are you listening to lang? Lene! Bang! 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 Ang isa naman, zombie. Ay, hambot na lang ganda niya ako mga anak. Ding!
Honestly,
What are you listening to? Hoy! What are you listening to? Rain, rain, go. Look here, babe.
Rain.
Can you sing rain, rain, go? Yeah. Okay, sing.
Rain. Rain.
Be here. Look at here. Ay, tantang. Nagluluto ako ng lugaw, guys. Lugaw pa more. Very dirty ang aming window. Ay, ang window. Ang mirror. Oh, ang kamay ni Baby Celine. Klaro kayo.
Andy.
Ling! Dance! Dance! Ayan, this ka. Oh! Let's throw it away.
I was give me back.
Ito daw. Ay, hello. Where you going? Ayan yung mga blanket. Alam niyo ba ito, guys? Palagi natatanong kung ilang araw na daw magbalik sa school. Ay,
Tickle me again.
na siya dito sa bahay.
Tickle me on the
Gusto rin
tummy
niyang bumalik
again.
sa...
Tickle me.
Uy! Ay! Ah! Did you just bite me? No. You asked me to do it. Well, nak, tomorrow we'll do our Q&A, nak. Ha? We'll film a video tomorrow. The Q&A. The question and answer.
No!
No?
No!
Okay. Okay.
The question.
Huh? I'll
Question.
question you. How much money have you got in your bank?
One.
One what?
One money.
One money? Say one money, anak ko, ipag-sure din.
It's right